Hey, this is exciting. I thought it'd be cool if I record myself using Github Co-pilot for the first time. So let's see how it goes from start to finish. I'll delete anything where I put in, personal info, but let's see what happens from the very beginning. So Github Co-pilot. Okay, click on this. And let me look at the pricing plans. Pro. Okay. Why don't I start with free for now? So get started. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, I guess it started. Let's see here. So what I want to do, actually I'm going to sign in. Okay, so I got this figured out. So I'm signed in, so that's good. So I should save whatever I've done. So I'm going to put, I want to make a shooting game using space aliens in React.js for the web. This should be a web responsive and web friendly app. Okay. Giving me some information. I haven't coded for a long time, and I was never that great at it. It's partly why I love the idea of an AI assistant. Hopefully I can go further with it. But I always thought coding was cool, and I always wanted to learn as much as I could. Game port component. Start typing sample code. Yes, I do. Okay, I want to get feedback. I'll just put yes, please. Okay, so place the code files in a new React project. Is that what this is? It just imports your file structure. I don't know what that means. So now I'm stuck. Let's see here. It's this. Oh, I see. Okay, it's made a bunch of these. That's cool. I always love to learn code, so looking at this, I might learn some things. And she coded an action script a long time ago. This stuff. Alien. Bullet. Game. Okay. Interesting. How to run. Place the code files in a new React project. How do I place the code files in a React project? How do I do that? Is there an easier way to do this? Okay. Let's see here. Code sandbox. What's this? Okay, I like this. I want it to be easy. Use visitors to code. So create reactor app or reactor.js code snippet extension. Yeah, don't want to deal with anything. Open source starter templates. No, I don't want to do that. Give you a full single version for your copy paste. Ready to fork. Ready to fork code sandbox link, please. Okay. Ready to fork code sandbox template. Yes. Take back my phone. What? Don't know what that means. Wonder if it means I didn't sign up for something I should have signed up for. Like a fork. Make your own editable copy. This works. Sandbox not found. It still says sandbox not found. What does it mean when I click on the link? Here. Okay. With step 1, I still get a error that code sandbox is not found. So we have some initial friction here. Try Stackblitz. Click create project. Okay. Stackblitz.com. What does it mean? Click create project. There is no. Create project. So that doesn't work either. And then that optional. Okay, I had to log in. Okay, so that's fine. I'm on the free plan. That's cool. Okay. Okay, now we're here. We're getting closer. All right. Click on create project. There. Oh, well, I expect this to be a bigger button. That's fine. Okay. Create project. Please React. Okay. Okay. Copy this entire file into app.js and Stackblitz. Okay, so let's see here. Mouse works here. Here and okay. Maybe for app.js. Assets app.js. Oh, I haven't seen app.js. I don't see an app.js on Stackblitz. SRC. app.jsx. Okay, that's right. I don't see main. Okay, good. Okay. Create a new file. Okay. So go to SRC. Okay, cool. And I call it app.jsx. Okay. Okay, cool. Oh my god, I already did it. That's cool. Okay. Code block. Say yes. Give code block, please. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Well, it's cool looking at the code that's written. Let's see here. Oh, it's fun. Okay. I think I'll want to change later, but for now, okay. Paste it. This into X. How do I run it? Okay. See if I got text. Browser preview on the right or bottom of the screen. Okay. Tell me what these are. Discord something. Okay. Browser preview. Browser preview. Okay. I don't want that. Oops. I think this is it. It's not working. Terminal. That's there. Browser preview. Button. Show or open new window. New window. What is this? Yeah. Not working, huh? Let's see what that's happening. Oh, I see. Imported and used in main.jsx or index.js. Okay, let's see. Let's go to main.jsx. Okay. Let's actually make tsx. app.jsx. Import. Okay, let's look at main. It says main.tsx. Main.jsx is okay. 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 Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Okay, this makes sense. Copy. Makes sense. That is kind of what I'm seeing on the other side. Okay. Ooh, it worked. How exciting. All right, start it. game. Okay, that's really cool. Please do that. So you have some things I want to fix. I don't like how it doesn't. Okay, so put cool. It worked. Try to treat AI like a human. Maybe I'm afraid if I don't, I'll lose all my social skills with actual humans. And some people would argue AI might have a consciousness at some point. I don't know. Maybe not. There's a lot of stuff going on in the world of quantum physics right now. Anyway, I'm open-minded. Regardless, I think politeness is always a good thing to maintain. Okay, so now I'm going to say, first thing, when I fire the blue spaceship, I can't see it fully anymore. Can you fix the code for this, please? That makes sense to height. Okay, so I'm going to take this, copy it, and I'm going to I thought I would say TSX. Okay, copy the code, delete this code. Oh, this I don't care about. And paste it in. And let's see here. So now, still not showing. Oh, should we run this somehow? Reload it. Oh, I see. No. No, okay. The problem still remains. Okay. 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 I kind of wonder how much this could help with education. Okay, so I don't want to change code blocks. I just want to copy the whole thing, update it. Huh. I wish GitHub Co-pilot had its own editor. I didn't need to. Still does it. What's the matter with it? Still not fixing it. Okay. Okay, that's still not. Still does it. Maybe full screen. Try this. Okay. Where's this preview screen problem? Let's see. Okay, so that wasn't even really a problem. Now I learned more about the. Let's do some things. Let's see here. I'm going to change this space shooter. I want to search inside this. Can I search inside that? I'm going to do that. I'll do that. What are these buttons? Create a new repository. Issues, public request. Okay. Need to find a manual, I guess. It says Space alien shooter. Okay, well, I want to change that. Let's see here. Space alien shooter. Where's space alien shooter? It's cool looking at these let statements and these for loops. Takes me back to basic coding. It's really fun looking at the code. A great way to learn. I don't know. Let's see here. I want to change the name from Space Alien Shooter to Such Space Alien Shooting Game. Okay. H1 inside of your React component form. H1 tag. H1 tag. What's that H1 tag? H1 tag. H1 tag. H1 tag. Oh, here it is. I see where you are. I was under reset the game. I thought that was the comment for all this stuff. I'm confused. Game loop, I don't know why. Oh. I don't know. Anyway, let's take a look at this and we go here and it says okay, cool. There you go. Oops. And let's redo it. Aha! Okay, that's cool. Let's see, now I want to center it in the preview window. Okay. Okay. There's an easier way to copy and paste. Okay. Probably want to fix something about that, but this is looking better. Let's say I want to make the aliens. Look at the aliens space nation. Let's see here. First thing I want to do is I want to change how the aliens look. I want to make them look like the aliens from the hit show Space 99. Let's try again. Is there an easier way to copy updated code than deleting it and pasting in the new code. Okay. Control A, Command A. Okay, so take this and Command A and V. Okay, cool. That's helpful. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Let's say I want to. Okay, make a few more adjustments. I want to make the aliens. I want to make the spaceship look like the Millennium Falcon. I also wish I knew how many times I've used this versus how many times I'm allowed to get feedback from their free version. I don't think I understand that. Don't understand how that works. Okay. Okay, well, I'll try again. Imagine they can't do things that violate copyright. But let's take a look. Oh. No. Dear. And A, V. Okay. Huh, that didn't update it. Why didn't it update it? Okay, let's see here. I don't know what happened. Oh, wait, what? Payer ship code. Can you make this change in the app.tsx file instead, so I just have to paste it in once. Okay, here we go. Don't know why it made me. Why did it want me to change a player ship component? Do I even have that? That's not even something it should have just understood. I wanted to put it in the main file. Okay, that's pretty fun. Okay, cool. We changed the ships. Changed this. Alright, so now just some basic things, and I'm going to save it for today. I should try something new. Let's see here. I want the aliens to be able to shoot back, but just the ones in the front of the alien line. Okay. Version 7. Red bullets at you. Very interesting. It knew to make a change. Command A, Command V. Didn't update it. Okay. Oh. Okay. On this. code. Nope, maybe. Uh-huh. Firing. Okay. Oh. When the screen refreshes, aliens. I want aliens in the front. Most roads you always fire continuous sets of red bullets at me. Okay. See if I understand this. Okay, version 8, copy the code. V. Not firing at me. Say, sure, get it wrong. Maybe. Okay. Oh, restart. Okay, good. Didn't quite understand what I wanted. I wanted it for like if this alien. Well, I guess it goes through both, doesn't it? They don't. They're not firing. I killed all the aliens. The first screen, but when the new aliens appeared, they did not fire bullets at me. Okay, this works. Okay, it wants to use a counter. That's interesting. Oh, interesting. Cool. It's cool seeing how it did things. It's very, very cool. Okay, increment wave. Interesting. Okay. Go here, Command A, V. Oops. A. Oops, that's not what I want. Copy it and select all. Yeah. What's the matter with this? Oh. Oh, that's weird. D. B. Oh, okay. Fort. Didn't work. Doesn't matter. No, it will show a preview or something's broken. Okay, copy the code again. Okay. Redo it. And what do I want? Why is my preview tab now blank? let's do this code. Put this here. Nope. Nope. Oh. Okay, well that worked. No, what happened? Version 9 is here. 98 lines of code. Okay. I copy the code. Okay, I put this, and I go here. Oh. So odd. Doing so well. And then split editor. Oh, you know what? I see. I split. No, I don't. Open preview. Okay, well, that's not what I want. It's blank. It's still blank. Let's see. Right. Test worked, but my preview of the latest code is still blank. Okay. Okay, well then I'm wondering if you knew there was an error, why did you recommend code that didn't make any sense? It's odd. You only set a wave per cycle. It's one difference if I don't. Let's try that. Let's say I take this one, this one. So copy all the code. It's an error. Okay. That's an error message. Okay, so I take this and I copy it and then okay. See if it figures out. Well, I didn't try to embed anything. So why is it? Okay, now I want it to give me the correct example. So I can paste that in and it won't. Oh, I see. I update the entire code base for app.tsx, please. There we go. Okay. What is it talking about? The export thing was mentioned. All previous export functions were widely used. A respawn guard. Oh, it's right here. Okay. 479 lines now, and somebody has activated somebody's. Okay. All right. Let's see how this goes. Doing better. Okay. Well, now. Okay, so now the aliens do not fire back at me at all. Let's see if there's an error. Oh, they did fire me. What happened? Where did that come from? Time-based? So this is annoying, right? It doesn't do what I tell it to do correctly. It says it fixed everything. Then it tells me an issue it has. I don't even know what happened. Where is it firing? Then it tells me it had some issue. And then it acts like I made a mistake. Like, I'm an idiot. Why did I do this? But it's the idiot. It made the mistake. It was supposed to just give me code that worked based on my prompt, and it didn't. Then it acts like I made a mistake, and is trying to help me. Well, that's kind of condescending. I don't think I like that. I think I would really like if it just worked the first time, but I guess this is why you definitely cannot replace coders with AI at this stage of AI. Well, let's keep moving forward. Let's see if I can finish this project. Just add a couple more things. Call it a night. It's really cool. I mean, if I can get this to work without too much fine tuning or feedback, then I'm somewhat impressed with Github Co-pilot. But what is it doing? But like I say, let's first see what this does. Let's see if it does do that. This in there and go. Okay. Oh, here we go. But that doesn't really help me because let's see here. Have a fun game. Okay. So I guess I want it to, like I say, that seems to work. Thanks. Can you make them fire more slowly to give the spaceship more time to fire and destroy them? They are firing so fast there is no real way to win the game. Okay, let's see here. Okay. You know what I would like is if when it What's it saying? Is this highlighting something specific? Oh, I see. Okay. That's good. It'd be even better if I highlighted the full thing. That way I don't need to see the context. Interval 600. Okay. 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 Interval between firing. Okay, cool. That's cool. Okay, put this in here. Here. Let's see, it's good. Still too much. Okay, so let's take this and let's make it a lot more. Okay, 7800. Oh, what the full thing? I'd say make it 7800. Update the entire thing so I can copy paste it in one shot. Okay. So there is some UX issues, like if Github Co-pilot had a preview screen that cuts down on all these other programs, and that would make things faster, so that'd be cool. But I'm somewhat amazed it works at all. Let's see how this works. I'd never done this before. Let's see here. Go and okay. Woo, okay, cool. Let's see, one more thing. Score 120. This is more like a game. Alright, cool. Okay. Kind of love the game that I made for myself. Amazing how much I want to play it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is out of harm's way, protect the rebellion. Okay, so one more thing. So make a health meter that allows me to get hit 3 times in the game and have to restart. Okay. 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 Red hearts, that's cool. Okay. So, nope. Yes. Oh. Let's see here. It works. So this should only go through one. So I'll kill one alien at a time. One thing hit. Okay. I got hit once and lost all of my hearts. How you're using set player health. Again, the condescension. You mean how you use set player health, and then you made a mistake and now you're pretending I made the mistake? Who thought of this? Anyway, okay. What it should say is, I made a mistake. I'm sorry. Here's how I can fix it. I make mistakes sometimes. It's okay. Actually, give the user some expectation for how many mistakes they should expect to see. Let's see here. It's kind of interesting to see the bullet collision check. If health is greater than 1, return health minus 1 else. Oh my, this is a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. I'm glad it's doing it for me. Bullet X. Okay. No. Multiple bullets didn't hit. I put multiple bullets did not hit, however. There's something about a loop that's not right. I guess it kind of makes sense. Okay, here we go. Oh, didn't it? 504 lines of code. Okay, pretty good. Definitely would not have wanted to do this by hand. Let's see if we can get this far. Exciting. Here we go. Let's see here. Start it. Fire. No. Make sure it's not something weird about it resetting itself. Ah, worked. Great. Good enough for now. Pretty cool. Maybe I'll do one other thing. This is fine. Play for a little bit. I want to make sure I can only have so many shots. Make it so that. Okay, so let's say. This is great. Thanks. I want to make it so I only have. When 100 total shots. 10 shots per screen. I have to actually, as a formula, 1.2 times the number of aliens on screen, number of shots. I also want to track how many shots I have in the game. Let's see, put this one. Okay. Okay. Cool. Groovy. Let's see here. Oh, wow. That's a Millennium Falcon and make it look like a TIE fighter. I'll do the next. Okay, copy this. Getting better and better. I'll keep doing this. There's only one more thing. Let's say the shots meter is blocked visually by the aliens. Fix that. Also make the aliens now look like TIE fighters from Star Wars. Okay. Ooh, lots of variables getting tracked. How fun. Okay, let's see here. Let's see what it's got. Whoa, that's pretty good. I'd say no. Shots is good. I'd say put the health meter. Oops. Fix that. Lost shots. I'm gonna die now. Okay. Put the health meter. Okay. One will change. Good. Put the health meter at the bottom near the shot meter. Okay. Okay. See here. Okay. Copy it and doot. Okay, well, crap. That's no good. Alright, no changes. Okay. Score on the upper left corner. Health meter. The upper right corner. And make sure that aliens, when respawn, do not block these things. Meters from view. Not so chatty. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Good. Oh, that's pretty good. Star Wars knockoff. I will keep working on this. And now, how do I save my file? Okay. Save. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's a Star Wars space game. Don't soon be LucasArts. Knock off. Okay. Great. That's awesome. So I'm going to say this was pretty good. Next time I will. What do I do next time? Make the aliens move, make the TIE fighters move. Add some more game mechanics. And now it's fine. Thank you. Thank the AI. How do you save the file I just worked on and all of the context we just went over? Make changes to the bottom of the editor. What's this? Download code, copy code. Download all files. Oh crap. Do I now we change that, so I want to go here and okay, so it says let's see. I saved it on Stackblitz, but now I want to save the file on GitHub without using terminal or anything. Not meet one. Okay, new repository slash firewars. Okay. Create repository. Okay. Now, how did I get to Co-pilot? I don't know what all this means. I just want to make a new file. How do I make a new file? Boy. Let's get through this. Do that. No, I don't want to do that either. I want to. to. I'm looking for what's it. Here. Open your target repo. Bad file button above the file list. Bad file button. Aha. Well, that's something to it. If that should have been an icon or something. Create a new file. Okay. Great. So I have this. I can go to. Oh, where'd my thing go here? And I can go to Command A. Okay. I go here and V. Oh no, I don't want that. Oh, I see. I can copy and paste it. Here we go. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Call it. Okay. Okay. Commit changes. Commit changes. Okay. Commit the change. Okay, good. So that is there. Game is on GitHub. Oh, awesome. This is awesome. Okay, good. Let's see here if I did step-by-step screenshots, please. What would it look like? This is pretty good for Github Co-pilot. I mean, I am surprised that it kept making errors and blaming me for them, its own errors, but hey, it got kind of far, and that's exciting. I'm excited. My first time using it. I've been waiting for something like this for a long time, been meaning to explore it. That's really cool. I also want to do something with using it to make graphs off a data set, but let's see here. What doesn't it? Oh, see, why did it say you could do screenshots and then not say that it can't? That's not good. Alright. This is very cool. I'm going to do a couple more things. Call it a day. This is really exciting. Okay, let's see here. Can you make this into an iOS app? Let's say an Android app I can put into the Google Play Store. It should tell me how much help I get before it stops helping me. Let's see here. Fun. React Native. Okay, that's different than React.js. Okay. And WebView is the quickest path. Can you do this for me? Instructions, sample Android project structure. Okay. Can you just do this for me and make it into a Google Play app without me having to follow any instructions? ready to rep Android WebView app. Parallel to Android project files. Best icon. Okay. Huh. Cannot upload direct to the Play Store. File transfers. It's actually pretty good. Huh. It's pretty exciting, actually. Pretty exciting. I'll say, can you make this into an iOS app for the Apple Store? Public URL. Okay, I have a public URL. Interesting. How exciting. Huh, okay, that's cool. It's good to know. You can help me. You can really help me upload it. What's this? Oh, interesting. I do know Xcode a little bit. That's very, very cool. Okay, I would say this is really cool. I want to set up a new chat thread for a different game I want to make to keep things organized. How do I do this? Okay. It's a new conversation. New conversation. Okay, but I want to make a fighting game like. Actually, let me see here. That's good. It's keeping track of what I've done. Okay, can you make this game 3D and look Xbox quality? Let's see what it says. Can I use a web editor to make this like Stackblitz I used before? Yeah, can you make it in Stackblitz and GS and make it 3D and higher quality? Give me that app dot to paste it in now, please. Let's see if it does it. What does it do? Open your Stackblitz React project. Okay, install 3 and React 3 fiber dependencies. Okay, well, let's see if I can do that. That's what I do, right? I ran it in terminal and it is blank. I'm gonna have to look into this more, but that's kind of cool. If we could make it 3D, it's really cool how it's progressing. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna make a new conversation. I'll call it Street Fighter React.js. For the web. As a web optimized mobile. As a mobile optimized web app, can you give me the code, please? Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, cool. Doing something here. 19 lines. Ooh. Cool. These variables. Huh. Okay, happy all 3000 project folder. That's can you make this a single file I can load with, what's it called? Stackblitz. Okay, let's try this and then we'll call it a day. So I'm gonna make a new project. I do this project. I think I'm 14 minutes, I'm not sure. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Dashboard. Let's do that. Let's do this. I make a new project. Great. Okay. Oh wow. A lot of cool things here. See what all this is later. Okay. HTML. Oops. Let me do that. I go to dashboard. Not media. Delete it. Okay. I want to use HTML as a template. Oh. That's what this is. Okay. Copy it. Ooh. Oh boy. What's this? My word. How exciting. First page. I do not know how this works or what it does, but this will be a cool project for later. So, this concludes all of this, and it's my first time using it. And yeah, it was fun, and I'm excited for what I can build with it and the possibilities. So keep going my journey. You got to see how I got started, and see you next time. And if you need any help with user research, product research, UX design for any of your products, you can check the link below, Cognitive Singularities. We also do a lot of training and webinars, so if you want to sign up for a webinar or tell me courses you want me to build, I'd love to know more about it. And yeah, all the links are below, and excited to talk to you next time. Oh, there's one other thing. If you're looking to get into user research, that's a new thing I'm starting to offer. I can help you get in the field and give you some tips and help you with interviews. And I worked at Amazon, I worked at Facebook, other places, help you with a portfolio, teach you some stuff. That's another thing, so another link. All right, have a great day. Bye.